morning students, I am Bulbul Mandloi, your mathematics teacher. Today we have to start chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. In previous classes, all you have learned about addition and subtraction. But in previous class, you learned addition and subtraction of 2-digit number means smaller digit number. But in this class, we have studied about the 3-digit number and there are 3 terms we have to add it. Like first 237, second 429 and third is 1075. We have to add these 3 in one method. So first of all we have to know about which is the greatest number. In 3 of them, which is the greatest here? 1075. So first we have to write the greatest number 1075. Next, which one is greater? 429. Then we have written 429. At last the smaller one. Smaller one is 237. Now 237. Now we have to add these 3 of them together. So first of all we have to start at the end position, means we have to start from ones. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. So we have to start in addition from ones position. So 7 plus 9 is 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 1 is here and 2 is carry. Now 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12 and 12 plus 2 14. So 14 is here and 1 carry. Now 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now 1 is single digit number here, so 1 as it is. So when we add this 3-digit number, the answer is 1741. Like that, one more example is here. First 1872, second 610, third 732. So student, which one is greater here? 1872. So we have to write here first greatest number 1872. After that, which is greater? 732. So 732 here. At last the smaller one. Smaller one is 610. 610 is here. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 is here. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11. 1 is here and 1 carry. Now 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 plus 2 21 plus 1 22. 2 is here and 2 carry. So 1 plus 2 3. So your final answer of this question is 3214. This is the solution method. Now we have to study about the theory type question. So we have one question here. In a state now we study about the theory type question. First question is here. In a state 5,88,24,374 males, means in a state there are number of males and number of females here. So how many males in a state? 5,88,24,374 males. Now what about the females? Females are 2,49,32,816 are females. Are eligible voters in a state, means who have to give the vote in election. So what is the total number of voters? We have to find the total number. So when there will be total number, then we have to add. So in solution, number of males. First step is number of males. How many males are here? How many males are here? 5,88,24,374. And the next step is number of females. How many females are here? 2,49,32,816 females are here. Now we have to find the total number of voters. So total number of voters, we have to add males and females together. Now 4 plus 6, 10, 10, 0 is here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11, 1 is here and 1 carry. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 8, 17, 17, 7 is here and 1 carry. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 is here, 3 is here and 1 carry. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So, how many total numbers of voters here? 8 crore 37 lakh 57,190. So, students, we discuss about the addition. Okay, students. Now, we discuss about subtraction. How to do the subtraction here? There are so high digit number here like 65 lakh 83,485. This is the greatest digit, and which is the smallest digit here? 37 lakh 67,539. We have to subtract this from this, means we have to subtract smaller digit from greatest digit. So, we have to start from ones position, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, we start from ones position here. Here is 5. 5 is smaller than 9. Then we take 1 from here. So, it is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now, 1 here, then what is left here? 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now, 4 is smaller than 5. So, we cannot subtract it. Therefore, we take 1 from this. So, it is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now, it is 2. So, 2 minus 7, it is not possible. So, we take 1 from here, it is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now, next here, what is left here? 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, here is 5, but 5 minus 7 not possible because smaller minus greater is not possible. So, we take 1 from here, 15 minus 7 is 8. Next, here is 5, here is 6, but 1 we give here, therefore, what is left here? 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So, students, your answer is 28 lakh 15,946. Now, next example, we have 7 crore 15 lakh 67,302. It is greatest digit, and we have other digit also, 6 crore 93 lakh 87,445. We have to subtract this from this. So, how can we subtract it? From this example, it is clear. 2 minus 5, it is not possible. So, we take 1 carry from here. It is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now, what is left here? 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Now, 3 minus 4, it is not possible. And it is left, what is left here? 2. We can get 1 from here. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now, we take 1 from here. So, what is left here? 6. So, now it is 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now, what is left here? 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible. We take 1 from here. 15 minus 8 is 7. So, it is 7. Now, what is left here? 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now, it is 1 minus 9. It is not possible. We take 1 from here. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now, we take 7 from 1 here. So, what is left here? 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So, your final answer is 21,79,857. This type of this question is solution based. Now, we take theory question. Question is the sum of the two number. Sum means addition. When we add two number, their sum is 49,07,584. One number is, what is the one number here? 34 lakh 69,396. One number is here. Find the other, means we have to find the other number. So how can we write in solution? In solution, first step of this is sum of the two number. What is the sum of two number? 49 lakh 7,584. This is the sum of two number. One number. What is the one number here? 34 lakh 69,396. So we have to find the other number. How can we find the other number? We have to subtract one number from sum of the two number. So we subtract it. We start from 1's position. 4 minus 6, it is not possible. We take 1 from 8. So it is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now it becomes 7. 7 minus 9, it is not possible. We take 1 from here. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now it is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 7 minus 9, not possible. We take 1 from here. 17 minus 9 is 8. So what is left here? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we take 1 from here. So what is left here? 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So the sum of number, we have one number we have, and what is the other number? Other number is 14,38,188. So student, in this video we have discussed about the addition and subtraction. Thank you and have a nice day.